I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 1999 Ford Expedition 4.6 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to change the battery without losing the memory on your radio and your computer. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. A 12-volt jumper pack. My jumper wire I connect from my jumper pack to the OBD2 connector. 1/4 inch ratchet, 1/4 inch extension, 8mm socket, 8mm wrench, battery terminal cleaner, and anti-seize. This is the part I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a Die Hard Gold battery. So I'm going to be opening up the hood. And this hood does not want to stay open because the lift supports are worn out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using some vice grips. Kind of like I'm going to be clamping the shaft. Now it's going to hold up the hood. Okay, before I disconnect the battery, I'm going to be powering up the vehicle with 12 volts. So I'm going to be using my 12 volt jumper pack and a jumper wire. So I'm going to be connecting the wire from my jumper pack to the OBD2 connector. So the OBD2 connector is right under the dash. It's like right here. Put this cap off. Stick this guy in. Okay, now we can remove the battery. Okay. So I'm going to be removing this battery hold down. It uses an 8mm socket. So I'm going to be removing my battery terminals. It doesn't matter which side you remove first because this vehicle right now is powered up by 12 volts. You just be careful when you disconnect this side. You don't want this thing to touch any part of a metal body or the engine. Okay, so I'm going to be pulling this battery out. So I'm going to be installing the new battery. I'll be cleaning up my battery terminals. So I'm going to be putting on my battery hold down. Spraying some terminal protector. Okay, before I start up the engine, I'm going to be removing my cable and my jumper pack. So I'm going to be starting up the engine. Okay, you're good to go. So that's how you replace a battery without losing the memory on your radio and your computer. If you have any questions, comment below. Make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.